everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to write coding a code.org website. For the first step, you guys should go to Google and type in code.org and hit enter. This is the home page of this website. You will see different information here, and you will hit learn. Here you go. Then you will head to the full course catalog, and then there are different grades here that based on your age. Let me see here. I will start from grade K to 5 and I hit learn more. Then I will have to different course here. Course A for kids from 4 to 7 and course B for children from 5 to 8, and for older students in elementary school classroom, I will start with course B. Wow, I will start with lesson follow from loops. I hit here to go to the lesson. Here we will go to the lesson 7 in first puzzle. The requirements of this puzzle is have the harvester pick on the corn. I hit OK to go to the puzzle. Let me see. You guys see here, we have 3 corns. And how can we have the harvester pick the corns? Think of that. We should move to the east, right? You guys can see the arrow here. If you cannot identify the north, south, east, and west direction, you just need to see the arrow here to go. It may be more easily for some guys like me that cannot identify the direction. We need to go to the east and pick the corn. And we can pick one corn here, but there are 3 corns, so we also need to the east one more time and pick the corn. And the last time, go to the east and pick the corn. I will hit run to see we are correct or not. Oh, congratulations! You completed puzzle 1. You just wrote 6 lines of code. Show code. If you guys hit on the show code, you guys can see the code that we used in the previous puzzle. You can hit replay to play that puzzle again, or hit continue to go to next puzzle. And do you like this puzzle? If you like it, hit the heart here. If you don't like it, you can hit the set icon here. But I will hit heart and go to next puzzle to see how it could be. The second puzzle is the harvester needs to pick on the corn. Do you see a pattern? We have 9 blocks here in the workspace and blocks. Wow! For at the beginning, you guys should go to the west and pick one corn, and go to the west again and pick corn again, and the west one more, and also pick corn. It's so easy, right? And go to the west and pick corn again. There are 4 corns, so yeah, I think we are correct now. I will hit run to see. Yay! Congratulations! So we just completed this puzzle. So I will hit continue to head to the next puzzle. There are a instructed video here if I can see it, but I will pass it because I'm afraid of it can be copyright infringement, so I will hit continue. Can you pick on the corners using only one move block? We just we have to use just one block. So here you guys can see here the repeat block, and we can use them. I will teach you how to do it, so don't worry. And we see here this harvester needs to go to the west to pick the corn, right? So it will go to the west here. You attach the west block here and pick the corn. You attach it here and go to the west and pick the corn. We need to repeat this process 4 times. So you guys can change 4 here. If we have to repeat this loop 5 times, and you can press 5, but in this puzzle we have to move 4 times, and this process will we need 4 times to complete, so I will hit 4 and then I press run. Yay! We have just finished this puzzle, so I will hit continue. If you guys want to see the code of this puzzle, you guys can press here and the code will be manifest here. I will hit continue to go to the next puzzle. I need help to find what's wrong. Can you help the harvester find the bug in her code, or something is wrong here? So you guys see here we need to move south, so move south is correct, and we need to pick corn, and pick corn block also is correct. But we need to repeat this process 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. You guys see here, just have 4 times. So that means the code is wrong here. And we change how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So I will hit 6. And let me see how it goes. I will hit run. Yay! Congratulations, you completed the puzzle 5. And we hit continue to go to next level. Try it yourself. Can you pick the corn at the end too? It is not difficult, so you guys don't worry. Oh, you can see here we have another corn at the end of this road, so a little bit tricky, huh? You guys also should use the repeat loops, and we have to move to the south, and pick the corn. And we need to repeat this process 6 times, and we have a 6 already here. And then we need move to the east and pick the corn. And I will hit run to see if we are correct or not. So yay! We just have finished it, and we are successful to complete this puzzle. So I will hit continue to go to the next. Wow! It's a lot of corns and a lot of steps, but just have they just give us 7 blocks, so you guys should think of the ways how to solve this puzzle. I will give you guys few minutes, maybe 5 minutes, to you guys think which blocks we should choose to have the harvester pick the corn. So 5 minutes start now. Hi. How are you guys doing? And have you thought of the ways to solve this puzzle? Um, Here, you guys. Here, you guys should to address this puzzle, you guys. We will need to move to for the first we will drag the repeat loops here and move to the south and pick the corn and drag the pick blocks here and attach it here. Attach it after the south block. We need to repeat this row 6 times or it's already here, and then we finish this row and we will need to go to another row to pick the corn. So we also need to use the repeat loops. And if we go this road, which means we need to move to the east and pick the corn. How many times we need to repeat this process? Yeah, correct, 6 times. So I will hit run to see. Pick, 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 pick. We are correct, and I will hit continue. Can you change your code to make the harvester pick on the corn? If you guys see here, they already gave us the code, and we have to detect it to see the codes, the blocks they give us are correct or incorrect. You guys see here. Now we need to move to the south, right? Yeah, this is correct. And pick the corn also correct, but the process we just need to repeat these loops 4 times, but they give us 6 times, so they are wrong here, and I need to fix them by change from 6 times to 4 times. And in the next loop we need to move to the east. Yeah, they are correct here. And pick the corn also correct block, and we need to repeat this process 6 times. They already have 6 here, so they are correct with this loop, so I don't need to change anything. And now I will hit run to see whether we are accurate or inaccurate. Yay! We are correct. We just completed the puzzles 8, and I will hit continue to go to the next level. We will need one west block and one north block to finish this puzzle. Wow. Let me see. We need to we need to one west block. Just we just use one west and one north. Wow. So that means we will go to the west and go to the north. We also need to use the repeat block and north. No. Go to west block and pick the corn. And we have to repeat this process 5 times so they get 5 here. This is correct number, so I don't need to change anything, and I also need to drag the another loop, and at the in this loop we have to go to the north and pick the corn, and this process will happen 3 times, and here is 5, so I need to change from 5 to 3, and I will hit run to see whether we are correct or incorrect. Yay! So we finished the puzzle 9. We continue to go to the next puzzle. Is how you guys feel about these puzzles? Do you guys think it is difficult or not? I think it's a okay, right? We can we don't need to so many or need to a lot of times to think about the weight, so that we just need for a few seconds to find the way. So it's a fine puzzle. It's not too difficult or also not too easy. It suits with your age, right? It should your age. In this puzzle, you guys see here, we let me see, we need to use the repeat loops and go to the east and pick the corn. This needs to be repeated 5 times, so 5 here, so I don't need to change anything, and drag another loop and move to the south, and also pick corn. This needs to repeat 3 times. I want to have this harvester to correct corn. Pick. Yay! We are finished. Congratulations. I will please continue. Challenge puzzle are lessons designed to stretch your brain. Just do the best that you can. I'm ready. Can you figure out how to pick on this corn? Wow, you guys see here we just have 10 blocks and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 corn here. So at first step is I should draw this repeat loop here and go to the west and pick the corn. We need to repeat this process 4 times and then we use another loop and in this loop we need to use the the south to move to the south direction and also pick the corn. We need to repeat this process three times and another loop can be right here. We need to go to the east and pick the corn, and this process needs to be repeated 4 times. I will change here 4 now 10 per 10 blocks. So I will hit run to see whether we are correct or incorrect. Yay! We just finished the puzzle. So I will hit continue to go to the next puzzle. If you guys see here, then the harvester picked all 5 ears of corn. You guys see here, we just have 7 blocks. So I will give you guys 5 minutes to think of the method to solve this puzzle. I will give you a hint that you guys need to use this repeat loop to save the number of blocks, and you guys also need to move the east and the north. So your time now will start and I will come back around 5 minutes later. I am back. So, have you thought of any ways to handle it? Hmm. Like I sub- like I suggested before, you for the first step, you guys should use the repeat loop and move to the east and pick the corn. We need to repeat this loop 3 times. If I can count here, 1, 2, 3 corn. So we need to repeat it 3 times and another repeat loop to more to the note and pick the corn. I don't know um if I am correct or not, but let's try it. Oh, I forgot to choose the numbers of the number of repeated times here. Oh, if I should choose the 2 times because there are 2 corn here. So after finish this course, I will hit run to see. Yay, we are correct now. And I will hit continue to go to the next puzzle. Wow, try one more on your own. So, what do you guys think? Uh, in this puzzle, you guys also need to add the repeat loop. So I will grab this repeated loop here, and we need to carry on this process 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and I will need to train it for here. We need to move to the west, right, and pick the corn. And when we finish move to the west, after that we have to move to the south. And I also need to drag this loop here and move to the south. Pick the corn. This process needs to be repeated 4 times because there are 4 corn here. So 4 times. I will hit run to see. Yay! Congratulations! You completed loops with Harvester. I will hit shortcut to show you guys the codes on this puzzle. For the card, we continue. We will go to the eighth lesson, so looks with Lauren. You guys can see the instructed video here, but I will choose to not see it. It may be this because this may lead me to the copyright infringement, so I will choose to continue. Free play, move Laura around and get as much treasure as you can. Get at least one item with no mistakes to pass this level. Use this block to collect the treasure. You guys see here? Oh, we also have gold here. We are out 0 out of 1 now. So Laura here. Sorry, Laura here. So how can help Laura to collect the treasure? For the first, we should move. We also need to use the repeat loop, and you guys should move to the east right and get treasure. After that, we need to go to the south 3 times. I don't know if it is if is 3 times, so I will use the repeat loop. Move to the south 3 times here. I will turn it into 3, and then I am here. I will need to 1, 2, 3. I will need repeat loop again to move to. Oh, I will. I will need repeat loop again to. I don't know how to do it. Move over or rest as much treasure as you can. Rest at least one item with no mistake to pass the goal. To pass this level, we have no mistake at all, so I don't know. Let's try it. This is also my first time like you guys, so I don't know. After that, we need to, let me see, we need to move to the west and get the treasure. And we are here. And move to, I think this is just 2. Maybe something wrong here, but I don't know. Let's just try it. So, 2 times. And we are here now. So, I'll also the repeat the loops and move to the east and get treasure with so 5 times, so I will hit 1 to see. I think I am incorrect now, but I don't know. I will hit 1. If we are wrong at any step, you guys can drag this block back here. I will move south to the. I will drag it back here. To see, I will hit reset to play it again. I hit one. We're still wrong. That space doesn't have enough items for me to collect. Sorry. I don't know. Maybe we need to drag this sub block back to the toolbox. Oh, certainly one more to south one times. Reset. Sub block. Just one sub block. Maybe we should do something like this. What? What happened? I will hit right. Oh. I don't know how can we do it now. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think? How can we have you guys come up with any ideas? I don't know, I'm so stupid for something. Oh my gosh. Repeat, and we need to repeat this process 4 times. We are correct until this step. Now we will need to examine step by step. So we are here now. After that, we need to move south 2 times. Move south and get the treasure. And we are here now. We need to use. We should use the repeat loop. And we are here. We will move to the west and get the treasure. This process needs to be repeated 4 times. And we are here now. You guys can see it. We need to move to the south one more, and get the treasure. And need to repeat the loops again. For this step also need repeat 4 times. And at this step we need to move to the east and get the treasure. So let me try it to see how we will go. I will hit run. Yay! Congratulations! You corrected all 15 items. I will show you guys the code here. Wow, it is a little bit complicated, right? You guys can go to next step. move Laurel to get the treasure, then use the get block to pick it up. Get on for to pass this level. We need to collect four these four treasures. So we also need to use repeat loop. Move to the east. You guys see here, we also need to get the treasure block, and this process needs to be repeated 4 times because there are 4 treasures here. I will hit run to see to examine how we go. Wow! Congratulations, you collected all 4 items. I will hit continue. Collect repeated loops. I hit continue. This heads to the another puzzle. How can Laurel get all 5 parts of treasure using only one the east block? Oh, okay, I will hit OK. You guys see here, we just have 4 blocks and there are 5 treasure. They just teach us to use the repeat loop, so I also use it many times at the previous lesson of the previous puzzle, so you guys can get into with this repeated loop. So we will use the move west and get the treasure. And this process needs to be repeated 5 times. They already have 5 here, so I don't need to change anything. I just need to hit run now. Yay! Congratulations! I hit continue. Oh wow! Fix Laurel path to get all of this treasure. They already give us the blocks and the code here, but there could be something wrong here, so you guys need to pay attention to fix some mistakes blocks. To fix, oh my gosh, to fix some wrong blocks, some incorrect blocks. Oh, you guys see here, we can see repeat and move east and get treasure, but you guys see here, we just need to move it 4 times because just have 4 treasure here, so this process just need to repeat it 4 times, not 5. I will change it into 4, and then we need to move to the south and get treasure. We are here, but you guys also see here we have another treasure left, so we need to move east and get the treasure. So the process can be finished here. I will hit run to see how we will go. Laurel really happy because we help her to get the treasure, so he also blinked at us. So crazy. So I will hit continue. You guys see here, this puzzle a little bit the same the last puzzle, so you guys, I will give you guys few minutes to think of the ways to solve this puzzle. Add to the course from the last puzzle to get all of the treasure, or they tell us some more blocks here to get the puzzle. So if let's do step by step to find what a block is missing here. I will give you guys 5 minutes to think of the way to solve this puzzle. 5 minutes start now. So how are you guys doing? Have you thought of any way to solve this puzzle? I will do it step by step to see how it goes. We need to, they are correct here, and move south and get the puzzle. No. We need to repeat this process move south 3 times so we can use the repeated loops to do it. And we are here, and then after that we need to go to the east and get the treasure. I will hit run to see. Yeah, correct now. Lauro is very happy because we just have had her to collect all 8 items. I will hit continue to go to the next steps. Figure out the code to help Lauro get all of the treasure. Wow, there are a lot of treasure here. There are 12. So let me see how can we do it. I will use the repeated loops. The repeated loop. And we need to move east and get the treasure in. After that, 4 times, and after that we also need to move. We need to use the repeated loop one more time to move to the south and get the treasure blocks. And this process needs to be repeated for 3 times. Sorry, not 4, it's 3 times. So they already had 3 here, so I don't need to change anything. We also need to repeat the loops one more time to move to the west and to take 5 treasure. Get 5 treasure, so the process needs to be repeated 5 times because there are 5 treasure when we move to the west. 10 out of 10 blocks, so I think we are correct now. Let's try it. Let's hit the button. Lauro is so happy. I will hit continue to go to the next step. Write the code to get all of this treasure. You can see here we need to move to the east, so I need to repeat the loop. Move to the east and get the treasure 4 times. And then we need move to the north. I also need to repeat the loop to move to the north to get the treasure 4 times, 3 times, also already correct. All need to repeat the loop one more time to move to the, you guys correct, the west. And what do you think? Also get the treasure, right? It need to be repeated 3 times. And for the last treasure, we need to move to the south. You are correct. One more time to get the treasure. You are correct. I will hit run. Yay, Laurel is very happy. Challenge puzzle, so I will skip this process because I tried it so many times. So if you guys play, if you guys want to play that puzzle, if you guys want to solve that puzzle, you guys can challenge yourself. But I don't want, so I will skip it to go to the next level. Wow, we need to repeat the loop again. You guys see here, we need to move to correct the west, right, and get the treasure. Need to be repeated 4 times, no, 3 times, and then repeat the loop again, and the south, and the get treasure blocks need to be repeated 5 times. So easy, right? You just need to be pay attention a little bit so you can easily handle it. It's so simple, right? Now we need to move to the west and get the treasure 2 times repeated. I will hit run. I hit continue. Wow, a lot of treasure, right? I will repeat the loop and move to the east and get the treasure. Repeat it 3 times. You guys are correct one more time. And repeat the loop. Move to the south and get the treasure. The process needs to be repeated 4 times. And one more repeated loop. Loop need to be moved to the west. Get the treasure. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I will hit the drum button. Yay! We are correct now. Thanks again. You are doing a really great job. Wow, Eureka gets as much treasure as you can. Wow, a little bit complication, right? Let me see how we can solve this. We there could be many ways to solve this puzzle. You can go many ways, maybe this way or this way, but I will choose the most simple way to solve it, so I will repeat the loop again, and I will move the west 6 times to get treasure. And then I move to the south, repeat loop move to the south, and get treasure 4 times. Need to be repeated. We are here now, and then it will repeat loop again to move to the east to get the treasure 5 times. And then I am here now. I go to the north to get the treasure 3 times, right? And I'm here now. If I can see, I need to move to. We will to reduce the number of blocks if I need to a repeated loop. So I am here. I will use the west block and get the treasure. Repeat this process 4 times, and I'm back here. I will use repeated loop again and move south 2 times to get the treasure. And after that, I need to use. Wow, it's a complicated, right? If I need to pay attention really carefully, need to pay attention carefully, not really here. I'm wrong grammar. Whoa, I forgot because wow. It's 3 times. So I can talk some stuff to you guys. I need to pay attention. Some 3 times. And if I need to move to the road 1 time and get treasure. After that, get repeated and move to the west, get treasure 2 times. No, oh, a lot of steps, right? I will hit 1 to see how we go. Yeah, we are correct now. Congratulations, you collected all 30 items. So thanks you guys for watching my videos. I will finish my video here. So see you in next video. Bye bye.